Welcome to my class Introduction. Class Standard 9, Subject and Mathematics, Chapter Trigonometry, Exercise 8.1, Lecture 2. Today's lesson: to solve the problems. Example 4. The measure of the three angles of a triangle are in the ratio 3:4:5. Find the circular measure of the angles. Circular measures mean unit will be radian. Okay. And the ratio of the angle is given here 3:4:5. So we have to let the angles of the triangle are 3x radian, 4x radian and 5x radian respectively. We can use here also in word that's mean radian, no problem. And we know sum of three angles of a triangle, this equal to pi in radian. Okay, that's mean 2 right angle or pi radian. Here is angle 3x, 4x, 5x radian. Sum of this equal to 5 radian. Okay, now 3x plus 4x plus 5x radian, this equal to 12x radian, this equal to pi radian. As here is radian, also here is radian, so we can omit both side radian. As a result, x is equal to 12 pi by 12. Clear? X is equal to pi by 12. Therefore, the three angles are 3x radian, this equal to 3 pi by 12 radian, as x is equal to 3 pi by 12. So this cut will get pi by 4 radian, this equal to pi by 4. Okay, here will be pi by 4. No radian mean there is always present radian. Similarly here this equal to will get pi by 3 radian. Here also 5 x radian mean 5 pi by 4, 12 radian. Okay, therefore the required value of three angles are pi by 4, pi by 3 and 5 pi by 12 radian. No unit mean there is radian, you have to remember this. Okay, now assessment. Unit book exercise 8.15 and same like as before map. Okay, just you have to solve. But 6 number, here is a condition: the angles of a triangle are in arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression mean the difference of angle are same. That's mean one angle, if one angle is 45 degree, another angle 60 degree, then others angle will be 75 degree. That's mean their difference are same. So if here is given largest angle is twice the smallest angle, that's mean smallest angle, if smallest angle is x, then largest angle will be 2x. Smallest angle is x, largest angle will be 2x. Therefore another angle will be x plus 2x by 2. That's mean average of first and last angle. Again follow, if first angle is 45 degree, second angle is 60 degree, third angle is 75 degree. Okay, now 60 degree, this equal to 75 degree plus 45 degree divided by 2. That's mean average of first and last angle, this equal to another angle, that's means second angle. As in a triangle there are three angles, so first average of first and last angle, that will be the second angle. Clear? Example 5. Again we'll mix 40 revolution to cover a distance of 1.75 kilometer. What is the radius of the wheel? Suppose the radius of the wheel r meter, therefore circumference of the wheel equal to 2 pi r meter. We know in one revolution the wheel covers a distance equal to its circumference. Therefore in 40 revolutions the wheel covers 40 into 2 pi r meter. This is equal to 80 pi r meter. As per the question, 80 pi r this is equal to 1750 meter. As given condition is 1.75 kilometer. So 1.75 kilometer equal to 1705 meter. Clear? Therefore r is equal to 750 divided by 80 pi. This equal to this. Now by using calculator we'll get 6.963 meter nearly or approx. When we use pi we have to write here nearly or approx. You have to remember. Therefore radius of the wheel is equal to 6.963 meter. This is the required answer. Clear everyone? So follow this. You can easily solve 3 and 4 in your book exercise 8.1. Another example 6. Radius of the earth is 6440 kilometer. If the arc on the surface of the earth joining Dhaka with Jamalpur subtends an angle 2 degree, that is very small angle, because we know in a wash the angle between two small division that is equal to 6 degree. That's mean the arc between two small division of a wash makes 6 degree angle at the center. So 2 degree, that is very small. Find the distance between Dhaka and Jamalpur. Okay, distance between Dhaka and Jamalpur mean length of arc, because earth is a circular shape. Radius of earth is equal to this. Angle is given theta is equal to 2 degree, but we have to convert always radian. So 2 degree this equal to 2 into pi by 180 radian. Okay, therefore S is equal to length of arc. This equal to distance between Dhaka and Jamalpur. This equal to r theta. That's mean we know S is equal to r theta, and we had already discussed in previous lecture. Okay, now putting the value, r is equal to 6440 into pi by 90 kilometer. This equal to this, and we have to use the value of pi. This equal to 3.1416 approx or nearly. You can use any one of these, no problem. And this is a required answer. Clear? Same math. Example 7. Find the circular measure of the circular mean unit will be in radian of the angle subtended by an arc of length 11 centimeter at the center of a circle whose radius is 7 centimeter. That's mean follow the figure. Radius OB or OA this equal to 7 centimeter and arc AB this equal to 11 centimeter of the circle ABC. It is determine the value of the angle. That's mean you have to find the value of theta. Make the circular angle with the arc AB. And we know S is equal to r theta. Then S is given, r also given. This is equal to this radian. As we have to find in circular measure, so this is the required answer. Okay. Same method. You can traverse the arc in 10 seconds by reading a cycle. If an arc of the circular path subtends an angle of 28 degree at the center and the diameter of circular path is 180 meter, then find the speed of the Ishan. Follow the figure. Angle 28 degree, S is equal to this, and diameter 180 meter. Okay. Let us assume that starting at B of circle ABC, Ishan reaches the point A of the circle in 10 minutes. So angle at the center produced by the arc EB, that is EOB, that's mean angle EOB, but angle EOB this is equal to 28 degree. Okay, OB this equal to radius, this equal to 180 by 2 meter, this equal to 90 meter. Suppose arc AB this equal to S meter, and we know S is equal to R theta. Now putting the value of R and theta, we'll get 90 into 28 into pi by 180 meter, this equal to 14 pi meter. When we'll use pi, we have to write nearly or approx A double P ROX, no problem. Now calculate, we'll get this. So speed will be this divided by 10 meter per second, this equal to 4.398 meter per second, or this equal to 4.4 meter per second, nearly or approx. So you can use any one of this, no problem. This is a required answer. Clear? Example 9. This also same. A hill subtends an angle of 7 minutes. That is very small angle. At a point 540 kilometer from the foot of the hill. Find the height of the hill. As this angle is very small, so this is an arc. So this arc and height will be same, because this distance is very small. So that will be arc, that will be distance, that will be height, no problem. Here angle this equal to 7 degree, 7 minutes. 7 minutes is equal to 7 divided by 60 degree. This equal to 7 pi by 60 into 180 radian. We know this, and radius r is equal to 540 kilometer. Height of the hill approximate or approx arc this equal to s kilometer, and s is equal to we know r theta, and putting the value will get the result. That's mean that will be 1.1 kilometer nearly. Clear everyone? Another math important. Express in radian the angle between the minute hand and hour hand of a clock when it is 9:30 a.m. That's mean we have to angle between minute hand and hour hand. Here is the hints is given. Okay, solution. The minute hand covers 60 parts in 60 minutes. We know, because in an analog watch there are 60 small division or part, and the hour hand covers 5 parts in 60 minutes. So our hand covers 5 divided by 60 or 1 divided by 12 parts in 1 minute, because 5 parts covers 5 parts in 60 minutes. So 5 divided by 12 or 5 divided by 60 or 1 divided by 12 parts in 1 minute. Again 60 parts of the dial subtend an angle 360 degree at the center, we know. Therefore 1 part subtends an angle 360 degree divided by 60, this is equal to 66 degree at the center. So at 9:30 the minute hand covers 6 into 5 or 30 parts, because at 9:30 minute hand lie or along in 6, but between 12 and 1 or 1 and 2 or 2 and 3 or 3 and 4, there are 5 small parts. So for 6, there will be 6 into 5, that is equal to 30 parts. Clear? And the hour hand covers as 9:30. So hour hand covers 9 into 5 part plus, and that time minute hand covers 30 part. So for one part, hour hand cover 1 divided by 12. So for 30 part, hour hand cover 12, 1 divided by 12 into 30 part. That's mean 45 plus 5 divided by 2, or 95 divided by 2 parts. Now distance between two hands, that's mean hour hand and minute hand at 9:30, is 95 divided by 2 minus 30, or after calculating 35 divided by 2 parts, but each part makes 6 degrees. So 32 divided by 35 divided by 2 part makes 35 divided by 2 into 6 degree. This is equal to 105 degree at the center. This is the required answer. But as expressed in radians, so we have to convert into radian. But when the question was expressed in degree, we have to express in degree. That's mean that will be answer. But as we have to express in radian, so we have to convert degree into radian. That's mean 1.833 radian at the center. So this is the required answer. Clear, everyone? So the student will complete the left math of this exercise. That's mean exercise 8.1, and submit the copy 4/4/2021. Date of submission 4/4 and time 11 a.m. So today up to this, thank you to all everyone.